Welcome to the Country Castle. We're in the home stretch for Christmas, and I have some more baking quick gift ideas for you. Also, an update to our laundry room, washroom situation that I wanted to share. As always, thank you for coming along. We live in a 1905 Victorian home, and it has come with some unique quirks, being this washroom, which is actually a place where we wash our dishes and do our laundry. When we first moved in, from this picture you can see I am drying the clothes, but I'm also cooking on a stove. My fridge is back there and my washer. So we've kind of done some things to reinvent this space. And that being taking the fridge out and putting it in a different spot, the oven. And we first tried the Samsung washer and dryer unit, and it just did not work out for us. So today is exciting because I have a delivery of a new stackable washer and dryer. I have been without a working dryer for about 4 months. So this is a really big day for our family of 10 because we don't have to go to the laundromat anymore. So I'm getting this space ready, and I wanted to kind of show you the evolution of getting this washer and dryer set. We were so excited to finally have our units in place. And I could not be more pleased. I love how they look. And I thought, this is metal and maybe just a plain white canvas. Maybe I will add some photographs to the side. So I have some pictures with some frames, and it's just super simple. You just take off the backing and put some magnet strips, and you can really make a special feature of hanging some framed photographs on your refrigerator. And in my case, I'm going to put these on the side of my washer dryer unit. It's a very simple, beautiful way to kind of make a space a little more special. I will add more photographs and art to the side of this, but I just think it's fun to kind of add some art to something that is just plain. I also love that this laundry room is off of the kitchen because it gives me an opportunity to continually connect with my family.
Mom, I got 100% on my language arts test. I just lost it.
When you lock in, you can do anything.
Okay, we're just gonna hurry. Be right back. Where did I put my shoes? Oh, they're up here. This is in 4 days. On Friday, we're having Cold Express party. We're having maple fudge. So first.
I hate that dance.
Here, you do it. You do that. I'll do this side, I guess. And then you go that way, I go this way.
I'm gonna make a fool of myself.
I am so excited to share with you guys some easy, inexpensive gift ideas for family gifts, neighbor gifts, a friend. We kind of get caught up in this idea that we have to spend a lot of money for something to be meaningful, but actually it's the opposite. The things that we do, the things we make, the things that we do with intention are the things that are way more meaningful than something you can buy. And this year we have been doing all of our handmade gifts, and today I want to show you some really easy last minute gifts, super affordable. I know in today's economy it is really hard to budget all of these gifts in, but I'm going to show you how to make a homemade granola, a candied pecan, my favorite candied pecans, and we're also going to make a candied orange peel to go into our granola or into our pecans. And this is just kind of a gift that you can put into a jar, a mason jar. Everybody has a jar. Everybody has maple syrup, all of these ingredients. I buy my pecans at Costco, which you get 9 cups I know this because I can get 9 cups of pecans from Costco. And so you could really just do 1.5 cups of candied pecans per gift. Or you could add them cut up into granola. So I'm going to show you a variation of both of those today, and maybe this gives you some last minute gift ideas that you can make for your family and friends, and I hope this helps you out this holiday season. I've talked about this before, but setting the mood in my kitchen really helps me to have a beautiful energy when I'm baking, and it just makes it a little more special when you're in the kitchen. So lighting a candle always sets that mood for me. We're going to start by making our candied pecans. This is a refined sugar-free recipe. This uses only maple syrup. Very simple ingredients, very easy to put together. We're going to do 3 cups of pecans, but you can do any nut mixture that you want. You could do a mix of nuts, you could do just walnuts, whatever you would like. And we're going to do 1/2 cup of maple syrup. We're going to cook it in the pan on medium-high heat. We're also going to add some cinnamon. You know your pecans are ready to take off the heat when you no longer see the maple syrup in the bottom of the pan and the nuts have absorbed that maple syrup. It takes about 8 minutes. Then we're going to put them on some parchment paper, spread them out a little bit, and then add some beautiful flaky sea salt to the top. I also forgot to mention that I added black pepper in with the same time I did the cinnamon. That gives it a really beautiful flavor. Now that we made our pecans, we're gonna let them get hard. So maple syrup has caramelized on those pecans, and so you have a delicious non-refined sugar treat. So easy, so simple. I don't know why you would ever do any other method because these are amazing, so you have to try it. And the black pepper gives it a little heat, and the sea salt, so you have heat, salt, and sweet with the cinnamon. It's amazing. So I hope you try these. So easy to put in a gift for a friend or family. And then we are also going to use these pecans to add to our homemade granola. And I hope you can hear me. My dryer is going in the back, but that's just how we have to do it today. I'm going to start making my granola. I'm actually making a chocolate granola. This is my first time making this recipe, and it uses very clean ingredients as well. It's refined sugar-free. It has coconut oil, maple syrup, a little bit of coconut sugar, some cocoa powder, because this is a chocolate granola. We are going to do layers of yummy granola with candied orange peels, little bits of chocolate chips, and some candied pecans. This is going to be a very decadent, over-the-top granola mix, just perfect for the holidays. I am now going to spread out this granola on a sheet pan and place it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I'm going to show you how I made the candied orange peels. This is a recipe that you actually need to make 2 days in advance because it takes 2 days for the candied oranges to harden into that candy chewy texture. This was our very first time making candied oranges, and I cannot even tell you how fun it was. It was very easy, and it made our kitchen smell amazing. And it made me realize just how versatile these candied little oranges can be. You can add them to the granola. You can add them to a mixture of candied nuts that you have in a jar, whatever you want to spruce up and just add a little citrus flavor to. These are a great, great option. Since we were on the candied kick, we decided to make sugared cranberries, and what a fun little treat. We ate them all up in one night, and I had never made them before, but I just could not get over how beautiful and magical and Christmassy they look. Very, very simple to make and such a yummy treat. Now that we have all the elements to our jars, we are going to fill them up in layers. I do a layer of granola, some candied oranges, and then some roughly chopped candied pecans. We are going to repeat those layers until we get to the top. And I thought it would be fun to add in some high quality chocolate chips to the top as well, just to make it a little extra special. We are going to be giving these out to our teachers along with their cookies in a jar and some candied pecans, and to some of our family and friends as well. We hope that you have a very happy holiday and a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for joining me on my channel. It means the world to me, and I hope that you have a beautiful day.